Assalamualaikum. This is Dr. Nisar Ali, and today lecture we will study about a drug. So drug mean any material or chemical which is used for diagnosis, mitigation, treatment, cure and prevention of diseases. So anything which is used for the diagnosis are said to be the drugs, like X-rays. Similarly, anything which is used for the mitigation of a disease. Mitigation means decrease and seriousness of a disease. Like analgesics, these are the drugs that relieve or reduce the pain, so they decrease the seriousness of diseases. So these are said to be the drugs. Similarly, any agents which are used for the treatment of diseases is known to be the drugs, like anti-diabetic drug and antihypertensive drug. So treatment or the long-term therapy that are continued for a long period of time. The fourth thing is cure. Cure is the complete treatment of a disease. Antibiotics are the best example for the cure. Similarly, prevention is the advanced therapy. So any agent which is used for the prevention of diseases are said to be the drugs, like vaccines. They are given in advance to enhance the immunity, to stimulate the immunity of a person. So these are said to be the drug. Similarly, a drug can also be defined as any substance or material which modify the physiology of the body system, mean that it changes the function of the body system. Like tranquilizer, these are the drugs which produce calmness, like alprazolam, bromazepam. So when these drugs are given to a patient, he or she become calm and their brain physiology is changed. So these are said to be the drug.